So here all you're supposed to know is that from the high priest, because sometimes you're supposed to explain from when Jesus was what? Was arrested, yes, up to the time he was what? He was crucified. So now from the high priest, remember people were striking him in the high priest. He was taken now to the Sanhedrin. And you know the Sanhedrin, I know you've already been told that it is the council of elders. So when he was taken there, he was asked whether he was the Messiah. And he told them, if I tell you, you will not do what? Believe. Yes. And he added that from now henceforth, the Son of Man will be what? Will be seated at the right hand of what? Of God. So he was also asked whether he's the what? The Son of God. And he said, you're the ones who are saying I'm the what? I'm the Son of God. So they accused Jesus of blasphemy. Yes. Yes, claiming that he's the Messiah. So from there we go to the trial. Now we're supposed to start with the trial. Yes. Now after moving from the high priest, you're supposed to start. First, let us read from verse 66 to verse 71.
When they came, the assembly of the elders of the people gathered together, both chief priests and scribes, and they led him away to their council. And they said,
If you are the Christ, let us but say to them, if I am, do not believe.
Can you repeat? Start again. Verse 66.
when they came, the assembly of the elders of the people gathered together, both chief priests and scribes, and they led him away to their country. And they said,
If you are the Christ, let us but say to them, if I tell you, you will not believe.
And if I ask you, you will not answer. But from now on the Son of Man shall be seated at the right hand of the power of God. And they say,
Are you the Son of God? And he said to them, You say that I am.
And they said, What further testimony do we need? We have had each ourselves from his own lips.
Yes, very good.